Next, today we move to the next concept, that is addition of random process. Let z of t is equal to x of t plus y of t, where x of t and y of t are two independent jointly wide stationary random process. And you know what we mean by wide sense stationary random process. Now the autocorrelation of the function z of t is rz of tau, which is the by definition expected value of z of t into z of t plus 2. Now if you substitute z of t here, what is z of t? X of t plus y of t. So you will find x of t plus y of t in place of z of t, and in place of z of t plus 2 you will find x of t plus 2 plus y of t plus 2. Now if you multiply these two, if you find the product of these two, you will find x of t into x of t plus 2, and then y of t into y of t plus 2, and then x of t into y of t plus 2, and then finally y of t into y of t plus 2. Since E is linear, you can write the next step as expected value of first term x of t into x of t plus 2 plus expected value of the next term, that is the product of y of t with x of t plus 2 plus expected value of x of t into y of t plus 2 third term, and the last term is expected value of y of t into y of t plus 2. And by definition this is Rx of 2. This is our autocorrelation function Rx of 2. This is the autocorrelation function or joint auto cross correlation, that is Ryx of 2, similarly Rxy of 2 plus this is autocorrelation Ry of 2. Now this is equal to Rx of 2. What is Rxy of 2? Actually it is expected value of y of t into x of t plus 2. This can be written as expected value of t into expected value of x of t into expected value of y of t plus 2, because x of t and y of t are independent. Then what is expected value of x of t? Just mu x, and expected value of y of t plus 2 is mu y, because the mean and mean is a constant. The reason is the process is wide sense stationary. If the process is wide sense stationary, remember that mean of the random process at any time is same. Therefore I wrote mu x mu y. Therefore in place of Rxy of 2 we will write mu x mu y. In place of Ryx of 2, mu y mu x. So therefore this becomes Rx of 2 plus this is 2 times mu x mu y plus Ry of 2. If mean of any one of the random process is 0, then mu x into mu y will be 0. Therefore Rz of 2 is equal to Rx of 2 plus Ry of 2. So what is z of t? Z of t is sum of x of t and y of t. If mean of any one of the random variable is random process is 0, then Rz of 2 means autocorrelation of z is the sum of autocorrelation of x and autocorrelation of y. What is that condition? The condition is mean should be 0. Mean of any one of the random process should be 0. So next we move to the multiplication of the random process. So multiplication means you know that is a product. So let z of t is equal to x of t into y of t, where x of t and y of t are two independent jointly wide sense stationary process. Now we find mean, variance and autocorrelation of this function. So first we find mean of this function. What is mean? Expected value of z of t is equal to expected value of the right hand side. Since x of t and y of t are independent, we know that e of x y is equal to e of x into e of y. So therefore mu z, that means mean value of the process z, is same as the product of the mean value of x and the mean value of y. Yes. Next we find the variance of z. What is variance of z? Expected value of z square, expected value of z minus mu z whole square. What is z? Z is x of t into y of t minus the mean is mu x into mu y. Is it clear? By definition, variance is equal to expected value of z minus its mean whole square. So z means x of t into y of t, and mean is mu x mu y whole square. Now if you use the formula a minus b whole square, so you will get all these things, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then since e is linear, you can separately write expected value of x square t y square t plus this is constant, therefore same thing you should write, minus this is constant 2 times mu x mu y, expected value of x of t into y of t. Once again, expected value of x of t into y of t is what? It is e of xt into e of yt, which is equal to mu x into mu y. Therefore what we will get is 2 mu x mu y. This is also mu x mu y. So therefore 2 mu x square into mu y square. So if you subtract from mu x square mu y square, you will find minus mu x square into mu y square. So once again, this is expected value of x square of t into y square of t can be written as expected value of x square of t into expected value of y square of t. Now we know that variance of x is equal to expected value of x square minus its square, mean square. So therefore e of x square can be written as sigma x square plus mu x square. Therefore I wrote here sigma x square plus mu x square, here sigma y square plus mu y square minus mu x square into mu y square. So this is the variance of the random process z, which is the product of the two random process, independent random process. So next, the autocorrelation. So what is autocorrelation? So that is given by expected value of z of t into z of t plus tau. So z of t is what? X of t into y of t. What is z of t plus tau? So substitute t plus tau here, you will get this. So this is equal to, once again you can write it as, because x of t and y of t are independent, so you can write like this. So I will combine these two, x of t into x of t plus tau and y of t into y of t plus tau. Then I will take the expected value of both separately. We can do this because x of t and y of t are independent. So therefore rz of tau, that is same as the r, this is what? Rx of tau, and this is Ry of tau. Autocorrelation of y, this is autocorrelation of the random process x. So what we found here is the product, the autocorrelation of the product, that is autocorrelation of the product is the product of the autocorrelation of two random variables x and y. Let us consider one of the problem here. So let x of t and y of t be two independent jointly wide sense stationary random process defined as x of t is equal to a cos omega 1 t plus theta 1, y of t is b cos omega 2 t plus theta 2. Here theta 1 and theta 2 are the independent random variables distributed uniformly between minus pi to plus pi. So the question is, obtain the autocorrelation function of z of t. So we know that z of t, which is product of x of t into y of t. So this already we found in the previous problem. So just refer the problem number 3. So for this process x of t, we have the autocorrelation Rx of tau a square by 2 cos omega 1 tau. Similarly for this omega 2 tau. So this one already we found. So just refer the problem number 3 in my previous video. Now what is Rz of tau? Just now we proved that Rz of tau is Rx of tau into Ry of tau. So which is equal to, just you have to multiply these two. So if you multiply these two, what you will find? A square b square, 2 into 2 4, then cos omega 1 tau cos omega 2 tau. Now this we can write using the formula cos A into cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. I took tau common here, so therefore divided by 2. Therefore we find A square B square by 4, 1 by 2 times cos A plus B, that is W1 plus W2 into tau plus cos A minus B. So W1 tau minus W2 tau. If you take tau common, you will get this. Right, therefore this is what? A square b square, 4 into 2 8, cos of omega 1 plus omega 2 into tau plus cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 into tau.